Today I'm going to chat you through my 10 best keto snacks. They're all low carb, keto diet friendly ingredients and foods to keep in your fridge and in your pantry to make all kinds of really easy snacks. And just these 10 items can be mixed and matched to make all kinds of things. And I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below, which has all of these and more. So there's loads of ideas for snack goodies that are low carb and keto friendly, so be sure to click through for that. And also be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite keto snacks. So I'm going to start up at the left top over here with cashew milk. I've always got cashew milk or almond milk in my pantry, and with it you could make a hot chocolate, you can make a smoothie, a protein shake. There's loads of ways. You can even make a chia pudding. There's loads of ways to keep cashew milk. I like cashew milk just for the flavor of it, but you might prefer almond milk or another low carb keto friendly milk to keep to hand. But that is my number one. Number two, I've got a sweet tooth and I love always having chocolate, so I keep this 85% dark chocolate that is from Aldi. It's individually wrapped so I can just enjoy a row at a time. It's perfect portion control and you can enjoy it just on its own. You can make a hot chocolate, you could mix some into a smoothie and make a chocolate smoothie. There's just any way you want to enjoy the chocolate that's keto friendly. And next I've got some Greek style natural yogurt. Usually Greek natural plain yogurt is low carb, keto friendly, sugar free. You can add a bit of stevia to it, you can add some berries, you could mix it into a smoothie, or another option is to mix it with one of the other ingredients here, like spinach. Make a bit of a salad. You can include spinach with your natural yogurt. So yeah, spinach is my green that I've got in the fridge at the moment, but you might prefer cucumber, celery, even broccoli, avocado. All the greens are a perfect low carb keto friendly snack food. So yeah, as I said, mix it with a bit of natural yogurt or some sour cream, or some olive oil, lemon juice, or just have it by the handful if that's what you like doing. You could make a salad or just keep it simple if you like, but greens just make a brilliant low carb keto friendly snack option. And next I've got tuna here, high protein, perfect tuna. One of my kids likes to enjoy it just out of the tin, which you could do if you want, or you could mix it with a little bit of your Greek yogurt or some sour cream or mayo to make a quick tuna mayo that you can just enjoy by the spoonful, or with your spinach, or maybe with some cucumber rounds is a good idea. But having tuna, sardines, whatever fish you like in the pantry means you can always have that as a good keto snack. And the other perfect protein option, or eggs. This is my bowl of hard-boiled eggs in the fridge. I've always got a bowl of hard-boiled eggs in the fridge, and it just makes a perfect snack. Just peel it, enjoy it whole. You can make a deviled egg by mixing a little bit of Greek yogurt, or make an egg dip with it. It is up to you, or just, as I said, peel it. It's the perfect protein snack. I always hard boil a batch of eggs on the weekend and have them in my fridge ready to go for snacks for through the week. And next, cream cheese. Again, you might enjoy having cream cheese just by the spoonful. You can make a bit of a dessert by adding a bit of cocoa powder and a bit of stevia, and you've got a chocolatey mousse that's just really lovely and indulgent. You could mix it with your tuna again, or with egg to make some sort of a cream cheesy pie protein dip that you can enjoy with your spinach, the other option, or with lettuce cups. If you've got smoked salmon or some deli meat, you can put a bit of cream cheese or mayo or sour cream, wrap them up. That also makes a really nice snack. And next, peanut butter. I've got peanut butter here. You might prefer almond butter, but instead of peanut butter you might prefer peanuts or cashews or almonds, any nuts, seeds. You could make your own trail mix, or just enjoy peanut butter by the spoonful. Or I love my chocolate peanut butter fudge, which is really quarter of a cup of peanut butter, quarter of a cup of stevia, and 100 grams of chocolate all melted together. Pop it in a container in the fridge and you've got chocolate peanut butter fudge. Simple as that, and it's almost like a fat bomb on like those chocolate peanut butter cups. It's just absolutely perfect. And next we're on to my cheese of choice. I've got this cheddar I keep in the fridge, and you might want a bit of cheese, parmesan, brie, any cheese you like. Just break off a little piece of cheese or make a plate with a whole lot of these options. Is kind of the perfect snack. But yeah, cheese is just brilliant. Low carb, high in protein, just perfect. And finally, if you just want a cup of tea, that makes a nice snack as well. I like peppermint tea myself. It's really got virtually no calories in it. Tea, coffee, it's obviously just if you add in any extra ingredients that it adds in sugars or carbs, but just a cup of peppermint tea is a perfect snack for me and something I absolutely adore. But those are my 10 best keto snacks. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video and got some ideas for easy keto snacks. And remember to check down below for the link to the blog post that has even more that I mentioned in this video. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know your favorite easy keto snacks. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.